Brand positioning.
Brand positioning is the process of creating a unique and desirable place for your brand in the minds of your target audience. It's about defining how your brand is different from and better than the competition, and communicating that difference to consumers.
What is brand positioning?
It's about crafting a clear and compelling message that resonates with your target audience. It focuses on highlighting the key benefits and unique attributes of your brand. It aims to create a distinct and memorable image of your brand in the marketplace.
Key elements of brand positioning.
Target audience. Who are you trying to reach? Competitive frame of reference. Who are your competitors? Point of difference. What makes your brand unique? Reason to believe. Why should consumers believe your claims?
Steps to develop a brand positioning strategy.
Identify your target audience. Understand their needs, wants, and values. Analyze your competitors. Identify their strengths and weaknesses. Determine your point of difference. What makes your brand unique and valuable? Craft your positioning statement, a concise statement that summarizes your brand's positioning. Communicate your positioning. Use marketing and branding efforts to reinforce your message.
Example: Volvo.
Target audience: safety-conscious consumers, families, and those who prioritize reliability. Competitive frame of reference: other car manufacturers, particularly those in the mid to high-end segment. Point of difference: unparalleled safety features and a commitment to building the safest cars on the road. Reason to believe: Volvo's long history of safety innovations, rigorous testing, and industry-leading safety ratings. Positioning statement: for drivers who prioritize safety and reliability, Volvo is the premium automobile brand that delivers the safest driving experience.
How Volvo executes its positioning.
Advertising campaigns that emphasize safety features and crash test results. Product design that prioritizes safety and durability. A brand message that consistently reinforces the importance of safety.
Another example: Dollar Shave Club.
Target audience: men who want a convenient and affordable shaving solution. Competitive frame of reference: traditional razor brands like Gillette and Schick. Point of difference: a subscription-based service that delivers high-quality razors and grooming products directly to consumers at a lower cost. Reason to believe: the convenience of home delivery, the quality of the products, and the affordable pricing. Positioning statement: for men seeking a hassle-free and affordable shaving experience, Dollar Shave Club is the subscription service that delivers high-quality grooming products directly to your door.